Right, so Ian's just come back. It's Saturday morning. We left the car yesterday and overnight with our garage guy, and it's come back looking slightly more ready for Africa with the bull bar. Ian is looking as happy as anything. Look at that face. He's so chuffed with himself. Yay! Okay, so just in case some people queried, it is a 4x4. It's a fancy 4x4. So it's got the bull bar now. We've had a whole lot of stuff. We've got big fatter tires put on. And of course we're going to have a tent. Well, we're going to look at the cost of it when we get to Africa. And what we hope to do is have a tent, you know, put on the top for when we can't find really nice, good, reasonably priced accommodation as we travel around our sub-Saharan Africa, which we just can't wait to do.